The Groups link is where you can add, edit, and delete student groups. Groups are useful for easily viewing data related to a specific subset of students, such as a class or tutoring group. Students can belong to multiple groups at the same time, which is useful when more than one teacher is responsible for teaching or tutoring the same student. To create a group, click on the Add Group button near the top right side of the screen. Name the group and assign an administrator. A list of potential students is displayed in the box on the right. Highlight the names of the students you want to add to the group, and click on the button with the left pointing arrow to move that student to the box on the left. To quickly find a student in a large list, you can type the letter of their first name and it will take you directly to the first student with that first letter. Click Save when you are done. To edit a group, select the group and click Edit Group. To delete a group, select the group and click Delete Group.